how to use Upwork. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Upwork. So in order to use Upwork, you have to start with creating your account. So first of all, click the sign up button located in the top right hand side corner. Right on this page, you need to select you want to join client or as a freelancer. So select either one of it and click on join as a client. Now write in your following information, all of these, and right on this page, next what you have to do is you need to go ahead and create a password as well. Then you need to make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click on create my account. Once you've actually created your account, it's going to prompt you to the next field where you have to go ahead and enter more details. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So here it's going to ask whether you want to get started with using AI or you want to do it without AI. So I'm going to go with without AI. So I'm going to go ahead and write a title for my job. So type in that. You need to click the button right located right at the bottom. Now you need to go ahead and search for skills or add your own. You could also go ahead and press that, or you could just type in any of these and tap on next located right at the bottom. Now once again, you need to go ahead and fill out all of these and tap the next button. Once you've done that, click the next button and you'll have successfully created your account. Now you could go ahead and post about your job. So this is basically how it works. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.